Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. This video contains basically the important theory questions to be studied for the subject e-commerce for all the MCOM Part 1 SEM 2 students. Okay, a very important video for all the students who are appearing for SEM 2 of MCOM Part 1. Okay, under e-commerce, okay, whatever are the important theory topics that you'll need to cover up so that you can easily clear your exam. All that is mentioned in this particular video. Okay, chalo. So let us see one by one, module wise, what are the various topics that you need to cover. Okay, so the very first module, which is introduction to e-commerce. Under that, the topics that you need to cover up is number one, what are the functions of e-commerce? Number one. Second, what are the benefits of e-commerce? Third, challenges of e-commerce. Okay, so function, benefit, challenges, like that's like the one heading. Next, explain e-commerce strategies. So what are the various strategies that you can use under e-commerce, or explain e-commerce strategies? Same question. Next, explain the business model of e-commerce. Very important topic. Next, explain the characteristic and importance of B2B, that is business to business e-commerce. And on the same line, explain the characteristic and importance of B2C, that is business to consumer e-commerce. Okay. So B2B and B2C ka importance and the characteristics very important. Next, explain the process of B2C commerce. Okay, the process, commerce is the e-commerce only. Okay. Next, explain the characteristic of B2G, that is business to government. And lastly, explain the ESLC model under e-commerce. Okay, so these are the 10 topics from the first module. Very simple topics which all can easily learn. We just need to go through the the theory part, and the answers are very simple to remember. Okay, so this is from the first module. Now the next. Second module, the heading is World Wide Web and E-Enterprise. Under that, the very first question that you need to cover up is explain the reason for building your own website. Okay, so why you need to have your own website? So you have to just give the reasons. Next, second, benefit of website. Again, very simple topic. Next, role of website in B2C e-commerce. Okay, like for example, you have Amazon, you have Flipkart, how that is very important from the e-commerce point of view that you have to explain. Next, explain push and pull approaches. Next, explain the principle of website design. Next, explain the pros and cons of EDI, very important topic. Next, explain new technology used in e-commerce. After that, we have explain e-commerce application in CRM, very important. Types of eCRM, very important. Okay, this is a very important topic. Next, what are the functional component of e-commerce? Oh, sorry, eCRM. Next, explain the statement managing the enterprise. And last, explain the benefits and limitation of e-enterprise. Again, a very important topic. Okay, so these are the the topics which are very important from the second module. Now we'll jump to the third module. Okay, apparently this will be the last. See, now in the textbook when you go through, there are four modules, but question number one, question number two, and question number three, they are all from each individual module. Okay, so you'll have question number one from the first module, two from the second, three from the third. Now fourth, may you have an option. You go for objectives question or theory. I would prefer everyone go for objective because that will be anytime simpler than attempting the theory from the fourth module. So basically, you just need to learn three module theory and rest only objectives from all the other modules. Okay, so last module, third module that you need to learn under e-commerce is the heading is e-marketing and electronic payment system. Now, under that, the topic that you need to cover up is number one, explain the scope of e-marketing. That's number one. Second, explain various techniques of e-marketing. Okay. Third, explain web advertisement. Very simple topic. Fourth, explain the role of social media. Everyone uses that, very simple, very easy to explain and elaborate it. Next, explain the pros and cons of online shopping. Again, now if you go through this question, this entire subject, once you just understand the question, you all can easily write a good explanation of it, because all of you are very used to all these the techniques and stuff. Next, explain the characteristics of e-payment system. Next, explain the types of e-payment system. Very important topic. E-payment system is very important. And last, explain the risk in e-payment system. This is a risk. Okay. Okay. Explain the risk in e-payment system. So these are the three modules that you all need to cover up in e-commerce. Fourth module will be basically for the objectives point of view. So you learn it as from the objectives point of view. Okay, so three modules from the theory, and then the objective skill you can attempt the fourth module for objectives, and along with that even go through all the objectives from the other modules also. Okay, so I hope everyone have noted all these important questions from the three modules under e-commerce. So with that, we will be ending this video here. Thank you.